In this question, we're given the acceleration of the parachute, and we also know the combined mass. So what we should do is to calculate the resultant force first. Since we know the mass combined is 55, acceleration is 2, so therefore the resultant force is 110 newtons. So we know that the parachutist and the parachute together, they experience a resultant force of 110 newtons. And if we look at this, because they're falling towards the earth, so definitely there's a downward force acting on it, which is the weight. And if you calculate using W equals to mg, you will get the weight of 550 newtons. So now I will do the drawing like that. So we know that downward is 550 newtons. And there is an upward force which we don't know what is it, but we know that the resultant is 110 newtons. So therefore, this upward force will then be 550 minus 110. So the question asks for the upward force, which is the air resistance. So this amount is equals to 550 minus 110. I take 550 because eventually the parachute will be falling downwards. So this will be the bigger force. So the bigger one minus the smaller one gives you the resultant. So then I get 440 newtons as the answer.